Did you know that you can add subtitles to your videos in Canva? If you didn't know, guys, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add subtitles to your videos in Canva. And as an example, I'm going to add English subtitles to a video in Canva. So once you're inside Canva, guys, go ahead and click on the video from your home dashboard here. And just go ahead and select YouTube as an example. Right now, if you don't have any video uploaded, you want to go ahead and upload your video. In my case, I have a video uploaded already, so I'm going to go ahead and go to videos under uploads and just simple drag this video to my timeline. Hey friend, as you heard here, that video is in English, so it's now time for us to add captions. Now, in order to add subtitles here, guys, simply go ahead and click on apps on the left hand side, and here you want to go ahead and type in captions or subtitles. So we can simply type in subtitle and go ahead and hit search. You will find multiple options here. So you will have animated subtitles and you also have subtitles. So let's use the first one as an example. So I'm going to select this option here, then click on start, then go ahead and click on export and allow it to export. Now you can see that it has, let's say, generate and sample here, and you can change the style. As you can see right here, it shows elegant. I can choose chic, I can choose neat, I can choose classic, whatever it is. Let's go ahead and choose one of them. I'm going to choose, for example, yeah, let's leave it at the bold. And you can choose a size in small, medium, large, extra large. For the purpose of this video, let's leave it as medium, right? Standard. And you can choose if you want it in the bottom, center, or top. Let's put this in the middle. Right, now I'm gonna click on generate. Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show, and as you can see right there, it generates what I'm currently saying. So I'm gonna say we'll go ahead and click generate video with subtitles, and now you can see that my video is generated. Now, in order to add this video with the generated subtitle, you want to click on that video and you want to go ahead and add it to the design. So what will happen once you add it to the design, it's going to add into the page here. What I recommend to you to do is, before you add it to the design, let me go ahead and remove it for a moment. You want to add like a new page, right? And then click add design, and it's going to add here. And from here, you can go ahead and adjust it to cover the entire sheet or the entire page, just like that. And it will take a moment to load. And as you can see, the subtitles are there. And for the previous video, you can go ahead and just remove this. So you can simply right click on it and click delete page and have the one with the subtitles now showing. Now let's go ahead and play mine with the subtitles and see what it looks like. Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add, and there you have it guys. Now once you're ready to export your video, just simply click on share, and then you can click on download, choose the quality of your choice, and just simply go ahead and click on download. And this will download your new video with the subtitles. As you can see, my video is downloading, and once it is done, I can do whatever I want with the video. I can post it on the YouTube, I can play it back, whatever it might be. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. My video is ready. Let me go ahead and play it. Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.